हर रिश्ते में अगर प्यार है तो तकरार भी है। जेलसी और पॉसेसिवनेस जैसे इंपॉर्टेंट इंग्रेडिएंट्स हैं हर रिश्ते के। लेकिन कभी कभार रिश्ते में प्यार होने के बावजूद भी वो टूट जाता है अगर उसमें ट्रस्ट ना हो। स्वागत है आप सभी लोगों का टेली चक्कर के ब्रेकअप स्टोरी में। आज के हमारे कपल इज वन ऑफ द स्वीटेस्ट एंड द मशीएस्ट कपल्स में से एक। लेकिन अनफॉर्चुनेटली आज वो दोनों साथ नहीं हैं। वेल, हम बात कर रहे हैं हमारी चुलबुली सी नेहा कक्कर और यारिया बॉय हिमांश कोहली की। नेहा म्यूजिक इंडस्ट्री की एक जानी मानी सिंगर है और वहीं दूसरी ओर हिमांश कोहली डिड हिज बॉलीवुड डेब्यू इन यारिया मूवी एंड हिज मूवी इज स्टिल रिमेम्बर्ड फॉर हनी सिंह का गाना आज ब्लू है पानी पानी। नेहा और हिमांश उसी गाने की शूटिंग पर मिले थे और इनका एक इंस्टेंट कनेक्शन बन गया था। उसके बाद इन दोनों की दोस्ती काफी बढ़ गई। अक्सर दोनों साथ नजर आते थे, लेकिन मीडिया और फैंस के लिए इन दोनों ने अपने रिश्ते को बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स का टैग दे दिया था। नेहा और हिमांश अपने करियर्स में काफी अच्छा कर रहे थे और साथ ही साथ इनकी नजदीकियां भी बढ़ती जा रही थी। नेहा और हिमांश हमसफर गाने के लिए एक साथ आए और तब इनकी ऑडियंस और फैंस ने इनकी केमिस्ट्री की बहुत तारीफ करी। यहाँ तक कि प्रमोशंस के दौरान ये दोनों और करीब आए और नेहा ने अपने इंस्टाग्राम पे हिमांश की फोटो डालते हुए लिखा हमसफर। उन्होंने टैग कर दिया था हिमांश को अपना हमसफर ऑन इंस्टाग्राम। फाइनली सोनी टीवी के पॉपुलर सिंगिंग रियलिटी शो में इंडियन आइडल 10 के सेट पे हिमांश ने अपने प्यार का इजहार कर ही दिया नेहा से। पर ये एक खुशी की घड़ी थी उन सारे फैंस के लिए जो देखना चाहते थे हमारे ऑन स्क्रीन कपल को ऑफ स्क्रीन भी, जो की बात कर रहे थे इनकी दोस्ती, इनके प्यार की, इनके नखरे की। लेकिन लगता है नेशनल टेलीविजन पे हिमांश और नेहा ने अपने सारे फैंस को एक खूबसूरत सरप्राइज दिया अपने रिश्ते को एक्सेप्ट करने के बाद। लेकिन कहते हैं ना, कभी कभार खुद की ही नजर लग जाती है अपनी खुशियों को। नेहा और हिमांश के रिश्ते में भी कुछ ऐसा ही हुआ। अचानक से एक दरार सी आ गई। सोर्सेज की माने तो हर सिक्के के दो पहलू होते हैं और इस रिश्ते के दरार की खबरें जैसे ही बाहर आने लगी वैसे ही इस सिक्के के दोनों पहलू भी सामने आने लगे। वेल, हम सभी को पता है trusting your partner is extremely important in a relationship, but looks like Himansh forgot the basics. Media reports की माने तो Himansh was suspicious of Neha's loyalty in their relationship. He thought Neha was cheating on him, and his concerns apparently laid the foundation for the fallout. Not able to handle the doubts, Neha decided to end the relationship. Neha ने अपने breakup की news को मीडिया से confirm करते हुए कहा that she is happy to have moved on from the bad relationship and is thankful that she is able to spend more time with the family now. इसी बारे में आगे बात करते हुए she continued saying, "Right now, all I can say is that being single is the best feeling of my life. You know what? When I was in a relationship, I was not being able to give time to my family and friends. At that time, I dedicated all my time and energy to that person who did not deserve it. And guess what? In spite of giving him so much, he always complained of not being together. Thankfully, I've moved on from this bad relationship and I'm in a very happy space now. I have realized that my family is more deserving than anybody else in my life. I'm happy with whatever happened in my life because that made me realize the importance of the family. With this bad experience, I'm not open to love again. As I said, I'm happy to be single." मीडिया में ये खबरें तक आई कि नेहा हैज गॉन इनटू डिप्रेशन और इन्हीं को कंफर्म करते हुए नेहा ने एक पोस्ट भी डाला इंस्टाग्राम पे। पोस्ट रिसीविंग नेगेटिव कमेंट्स she received immediately after the breakup news. Neha said, "Yes, I'm in depression. Thanks to all the negative people in the world. You are successful in giving me the worst days of my life. Congratulations, you are successful." इंडियन आइडल के मंच पे नेहा का हुआ ब्रेकडाउन और वो भी इसलिए क्योंकि एक कंटेस्टेंट ने काफी इमोशनल गाना गाया। नेहा के बाद हिमांश also came out in the media and spoke about his breakup. क्योंकि मीडिया खबरों की मानी जाए तो हिमांश को ऐसा लग रहा था कि after Neha got emotional on the sets of Indian Idol, now everybody was trying to blame Himansh Kohli. Himansh also said that though he and Neha were in a relationship for around an year, he was very serious and they had even made plans to get married in the future. He was also hurt when people claimed that he used her to become famous or that is the reason for their breakup was his infidelity. One thing that really hurt me was people accusing me of using her. I just couldn't understand that. 4 films of mine had released before I met Neha. And I was making a lot of money. In fact, while the two of us were together, I did not do much work because I would travel with her for her shows so that we could spend time together. I actually let a lot of work pass in those months. People also said that I had cheated on her and that's why things ended. Thankfully, a few months later, she cleared the air and said I hadn't cheated on her. Thereafter, things got better. I have put it all behind me now. He said, adding a lot about what happened in his relationship. हिमांश ने एक इंटरव्यू में ये तक कहा, "It wasn't an ugly breakup from my side, but when speculations began, everything became ugly. That was one of the most worst phases of my life. Today things have settled down, but yes, There was a time when the entire world was cursing me on social media. Nobody wanted to know the real story and I was made out to be the villain. It was very upsetting because I wasn't saying anything and people were drawing their own conclusions based on what she was putting out. She cried on TV shows and everyone believed that I was to be blamed. Well, I also wanted to cry, but then we tend to put up a brave front. Himansh said that on several occasions he almost responded to Neha's social media post with a post of his own, but then he decided against it because he did not want to badmouth a woman he was once in love with. मन मेरा भी बहुत करता था कि मैं कुछ कहूँ. There were times when I would type things to post on social media, but I would decide to wait for some time, and few hours later I would change my mind. But I felt this is the same person who I loved. How can I say something against her? That's not my definition of love. I never even asked her why she was doing that to me, even though it hurt me a lot. While ये माना जा रहा था कि रिश्ते का अंत हुआ हिमांश के कारण, उन्होंने एक बहुत बड़ा खुलासा किया. उन्होंने कहा that the decision of breakup was actually Neha's. There were so many things that happened, but I don't want to talk about it. All I can say is that she didn't want to continue, and so we mutually decided to separate. It was her decision to move on in life, and I respected that. But then in no time, the story took a turn. Each time she put up a post, I faced a backlash, said Himansh Kohli. Well, आज की कहानी सिर्फ इतनी सी है कि इतना कुछ होने के बाद भी ये दोनों के रास्ते अलग हो गए हैं. जिन दिलों में एक वक्त पे प्यार था, आज उन्हीं में सूनापन है. Himansh is busy making and shaping his career, and so is Neha. नेहा की तो इंडियन आइडल के मंच पे ऑलमोस्ट शादी भी हो गई थी with the host Aditya Narayan, thanks to the makers. Well, we can only wish the best for the two of them in life ahead. You do come back to this segment of Telechockers breakup story to know yet another breakup story about your favorite celebrities. Until then, stay tuned to Telechocker for all the more updates for the Telly world. Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Telechockers YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.